Hey guys, I'm back. Oh my god, so I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but here I am. I don't want to promise you guys and say I'm gonna be back full time, but let's see. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys, teaching you guys how to make a scrunchie. For some weird reason, like, I've just had this obsession with crocheting scrunchies. Like, I literally made one for my friend. I'm gonna give it to her tomorrow. This is what it looks like. She told me her favorite color was green and pink, and so like luckily I had the yarn at home, so I just crocheted for her, and literally, like, it took me less than 30 minutes, guys. That's how quick. Like, if you are a beginner, this is the best project to practice with. It's so easy. I just keep making them. I made another one. This is like a smaller one, but anyway, let's get to it. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using some scrap yarn that I found, and I'm just gonna be using a hairband. You can just use any old ones, yeah, because the stitches do cover it up. I'm also going to be using a 3mm hook for this project, but you can use any hook of your choice, and you just need a pair of scissors. So the first thing you want to do is make a slip knot. There's so many videos on YouTube that show you how to do this. So what you want to do is insert your hook under the hair tie, and you want to basically, I feel like it's so hard like showing how to do it, but you just want to do that, yarn over and pull through, and so once you've done that, you just look like this, and then you want to yarn over, pull through. So we're just going to be single crocheting along this, so you can see we're just yarning over, pulling, and then you pull through. Now you also want to take this leftover yarn from your slip knot. You want to take that with you once you've got the hang of the yarn over pull through, because it can be quite difficult if it's your first time. So you just want to yarn over, take both, and you just want to pull through. You find it is so much harder when taking that extra piece of yarn. That's what I find. I don't know, it might be easy for you, but I just find it very difficult. But yeah, you just want to yarn over, pull through, yarn over. Yeah, like, you should have something like this, and I'm just gonna keep doing it for a few minutes, just single crocheting. And I want to show you guys something, because this sometimes can get very, like, you notice that you're having so many spaces, and it can kind of get very confusing. So it's at the first, it might be very hard to get the hang of like doing it, but once as you can see from the start, like, I kind of struggled. Like, my first stitches are not the cleanest, but you just sort of get the hang of it, literally. So yeah, you're just gonna keep doing single crochets like this, round. If you find out that you're having spaces, all you can do is literally just like move them that way to tighten it, and then you get to cover all the spaces. So I'm gonna go all the way around, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. Once you've done your single crochet all around, the next thing you're gonna do is just basically slip stitch in the first stitch right here. You want to just slip stitch, and then this is what it looks like. If you just want something simple, then you can just finish off here, but we want a scrunchie, so we're gonna carry on. You're gonna chain 4. So this 4 is going to count as your first double crochet, because we're going to be doing 2 double crochets in every stitch. So that's my first double crochet, and then I'm going to put my second double crochet in that stitch. And then just gonna double crochet. So this is what it currently looks like. I'm just gonna keep doing 2 double crochets all around, and when I finish I'm gonna come back to you guys. Alexa, pause. So I'm almost done with my double crochet, my 2 double crochets, and I'm just gonna do the last one. So that's 1, and I'm gonna do the second one. So what we want to do for this is we are going to slip stitch, so you don't half double crochet in that stitch, this one right here, so the one before you slip stitch, so just leave that, and then we want to slip stitch right at the top, right, I don't know if you guys can see it, I hope it's focusing, but just right at the top here. And then you want to slip stitch. If you are in a hurry, you can just finish off here, and then, but what I would usually do is I could just single crochet all at the end of it, just to give it a cleaner finish. But I feel like I want it to look more like this, so I'm going to do another round of double crochets in each stitch, or yeah, in each stitch. So just basically repeating what we did for that row. I'm gonna chain 4, and just a reminder that this counts as 1 double crochet in that stitch, so you just want to do a second double crochet in that stitch, and then we're just going to continue as planned and keep double crocheting. Cool, so I'm gonna keep doing that whilst I sort out this yarn, and I'm gonna come back when I'm almost done. So I'm almost done. I've just got 3 left, or should I say 2, because we're gonna ignore the one that's closest to the final stitch. So let's just and so once you've done all of those, you want to slip stitch just right at the top. Third. Oops. And this is what your scrunchie looks like, but we are not done. As I mentioned, I'm gonna just single crochet all around just to make it look cleaner, and once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you want to do is chain 1 and then single crochet all around. So I'm just gonna show you guys, just single crochet in every single stitch. This will literally just help to give it a cleaner finish, and I'm going to show you guys when I finish what it's going to look like. But try not to skip this step. I know it can feel very like boring, or you're just kind of like, oh, I just want to finish this project really quickly, but trust me, this step makes a great difference.
So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys right now what it's starting to look like. I'm gonna finish it off, and I'm gonna go all the way around, and once I'm about to put in my slip stitch, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished scrunchie.
I forgot to mention that before you do your single crochet, put in a stitch marker, just so that you don't forget where where you started from, because it's so easy to forget. Usually I don't, but for this project it was a bit different. But yeah, so just make sure you put a stitch marker so that it doesn't get confusing. But anyway, I'm done. I'm just gonna slip stitch, so finish and just slip stitch into that first stitch, and then I'm just gonna fasten off. What you just want to do is take that yarn and you just kind of just weave it into the existing double crochet, and then you can just cut off the excess. This is the final product. Honestly, this looks so pretty. Like, I'm just so obsessed with scrunchies at the moment. If you want to jazz it up a bit, like, you can add more colors. It's up to you. There's no rule to scrunchie. You can add like an extra color like I've done with this green one. But yeah, like, they're so pretty. Hope you like this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah.